In this video, I will create completely new ChatGPT OpenAI API connection. For that, I need ChatGPT module. It doesn't matter what I choose because I need just connection. Let's say create a completion and let's click add. Rename. And now it asks API key. I don't have it, so I just click on the link. For me, link didn't work, so I'm just Googled it, OpenAI API key. And let's create a new account. And the new account you can see in the top right corner, start building. And here you have to fill up and generate API key, copy it and paste it in the make. And after that, click continue. And now I have to purchase credits. I'm going to start with $5. And now it asks me my credentials. And now I have regular API home screen. In the top you can see playground and dashboard. These are the ones that we need in the make. At first it might seem complicated, but it actually is not if you spend some time here. And what also make is asking is organization ID. And now if you go to settings, then you can see in general organization ID. Copy it and paste it in the make. Click save. And now it had made a new connection. Usually I'm using XAI because it is cheaper, but right now you can't upload files. And after having connection, you can go to playground. And here you can create assistants on the left, assistants with the file. And those assistants can be connected in the ChatGPT module in the make, for example, message assistant. And if I have created assistant, it will appear here in the playground. And also a good thing about it, if you click on dashboard, then you can see on the left side there is storage and you can add here more files and then you can connect those files also in make as vector, add files a vector store, and you can take files from them and give them to assistant. That's why still ChatGPT is pretty good module, but as I said, for me right now it seems that XAI is cheaper. So in this video, I just only showed how to connect ChatGPT and Make. If you're interested more about how to use OpenAI module in Make, then let me know down in the comments. Have a great day.